What you see behind me and beside me are 5 3D printers working full-time, printing out 3D printed face shields. We're coming to you from the face shield manufacturing site located here at Ontario Tech's ACE Research Facility. What you see behind me and beside me are 5 3D printers working full-time, printing out 3D printed face shields that would become part of the final face shield assembly in the final assembly process. This process and the face shield 3D printed design were developed in partnership with Ontario Power Generation. And this design is now being transformed to a partnership with General Motors of Canada to take a face shield frame that was 3D printed into one that's going to be rapidly produced at high volume through injection molding processes. So stay tuned, more to come. And what you're seeing now is just the beginning of a significant ramp up in face shield production at Ontario Tech University.